Hi guys, welcome to Mark Sherry's Kitchen. So today's recipe is for a healthy version of a chicken teriyaki. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take some soy sauce, add it to a bowl. Then we take our rice wine vinegar, freshly squeezed orange juice, some sliced ginger, some sliced garlic, a couple of teaspoons of honey, give that a good stir around, and then we're going to add our chicken fillets. Alright folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make more videos for you. Just give those a mix around, cover them and let them marinate for about an hour. So while our chicken's marinating, we're going to do some vegetables. So we get our sliced onion, our sliced red pepper, sliced carrots, sliced courgette, some crushed garlic, sprinkling of Chinese five spice, some salt and pepper, and then we spray it with some olive oil. Give that a good mix around, and then we'll pop it into a preheated oven. So we preheated our oven at 220 degrees C or 200 fan, gas mark 7. Now while our vegetables are cooking, we'll take a medium frying pan, put it onto a medium heat, spray with some oil, and we'll add our marinated chicken fillets. Let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side just to seal them in. Once they're sealed, we'll put them into an oven-proof dish, and then we're going to add the rest of the marinade that the chicken was marinated in. So take our marinade, just pour it over the top, and then we'll cover the bowl with some tin foil. After our vegetables have been cooking for about 15 minutes, we'll just pop this chicken in. So after another 15 or 20 minutes, just take the chicken out, uncover it, let the sauce thicken. So now that our chicken is fully cooked, it's now time to serve. So I'll serve mine with some basmati rice. You take our roasted vegetables, pop them on the rice. Then we take our marinated chicken, pop it over the top. Lashings of the nice teriyaki sauce. And then we'll just finish it off with some green onions. So folks, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in some of my further videos.